Boom, 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 boom. Gonna shoot you right down at all your feet.
How long have you been waiting for me since?
5 minutes.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Just wake up. Today you will see like what is a day as running Submagic within my entire team, because today this week we are in Italy for the seminar. I will start now because I have to take a little breakfast fast, and then we jump on a call with clients very fast. We have 3 calls this morning, and then I will show you the rest of the day. I am supposed to have a call in 20 minutes, so we have time for breakfast quickly. It's a call with the suppliers that we work with, AI products that help us build Submagic. Like, to build Submagic, we are using different services, and this is one of our biggest partners. So we have a call to see how things are going on and how we can continue building our relationship we have with them. That's it. We have like one call like that every 6 months with them. Sharing the day today on how is it to run Submagic and why I'm here, like what I do with my team in this house. And I thought it was interesting because a lot of people ask me, like, just to understand, like, how is it to run the business? What do I do? What kind of work do I do as a CEO? So I thought it was a good idea just to take the camera with me all day and bring you with me, and you will see what's going on. So as you can understand, we are not in the classic setup in this time. We are in the seminar of Submagic, the first seminar of Submagic that we do normally every 6 months. And because Submagic is only 1 year, this is the first time that we met all together. So we decided to rent a big house in Italy. So we are in Tuscany now. Beautiful house, beautiful property, where we bring pretty much all the team. There is only 3 persons that couldn't come due to visa reasons. But we are here in this house for 1 week. And the goal is to celebrate all the milestones that we did for the last 12 months, work on the objectives of next year and the goals and the strategies that we want to achieve with Submagic, set up the vision, create some good links, enjoy, and take some free time for all of us. That's the goal. So today we are on Thursday. Me on my side, I have some meetings this morning that you will see. After that, we will do a work session with the team, and this work session will be about the objective that we have at Submagic. So the last few days we work on the last 12 months, what we did, how we achieved those things, and now we set up the goals for the next 6 months and 12 months. So this will be a very interesting workshop. After that, we'll go for lunch, and tonight we have a great dinner at one of my favorite restaurants in Italy. I love Italy, and Tifei, my co-founder, loves as well Italian food. I was very happy to bring all the team here. For me, it was a way to give them new experiences and new memories, and that's what we wanted to do with Tifei. So I'm very happy to be in Italy. Most beautiful place, I think, in the world.
As soon as I up, let's go. Just like double.
Caption in Chinese. The things that we've seen from this for now, it was like we had the translation by sentences, which is, I think, a great point. But because the short form videos, like the caption is like 2 or 3 words each time. So using the sentences is a little bit hard for us because we don't know when to display it.
All I took was a needle. I show up in a beamer. Showed up, smacked some cougars like them.
I'm working on hiring a new copywriter for some landing pages that will elaborate with the SEO team strategy. I get some good proposals. For instance, Emma, really into like personalization of proposals. I believe that's really important. I say like, try Submagic, let me know what you think of that. And she answers with a personalized answer. So that's why I want to open a call with her. And I just answer to all the ones that made this kind of personalization that I believe is really essential when you want to get one client.
Now we're gonna start working for the workshop, and the session of the day will be like planning the next 6 months features that we're gonna do on marketing, on product, and on customer support, where we're gonna focus our efforts to reach our goal. Today, I think it's gonna be easier that we start with the product instead of the customer support. What do we need to put on the product? Where do we put our effort to grow the business, help better our customers, make them more successful? Should we do this or that? This is the question we should ask. So if I take the people who are spending on the product since more than 6 months, so the column left, he wants presets of motion design like Canva, more zoom effects, long form to short, more fonts, more customization, and be able to cut the background. What I mean, like, try to think more broad, like what killer features can have a big impact on the growth of the product. I think with this plan, for me, this is clear. That was the goal of the exercise, to make the link between the objectives and now how we're going to achieve that. Jovan, what did you think about the session?
It was very productive, you know. Even in remote, we should do maybe a monthly call all together to say, okay, we could do that.
About the session, I think it was really great, really productive. I think it motivates the whole team, so it's really nice, and we need to do it more often.
This morning session was great. We set up objectives 2 days ago. We set up goals for the business. Let's say, okay, the goals is to go to the city there. Okay, see on the top, the city. This is the goal of the business. This is where I want the company's goals. I want to go there by the end of the day, by 7 p.m. So we fix these objectives. All the team fix these objectives together. Let's say they run and they walk a lot. They do a lot of hiking. So now they look at that and say like, this is makeable. We can do that before 7 p.m. We can reach this goal. And so now what we did this morning was like, okay, now let's list what we should do to go to this goal. In terms of product, in terms of marketing, in terms of customer support, in terms of expansion, retention, how are we going to reach faster this goal? And this is exactly what we did with the business this morning. And every month for the next 6 months, we're going to do a summary of like, where are we on this objective? So it was great. I was happy. It was cool. Now we're gonna eat, have a lunch, enjoy, rest for the rest of the afternoon. I'm gonna have some calls. You're gonna join with me on the calls. I want to show you what kind of calls I'm gonna make.
So we're gonna cook some pasta, carbonara from Roma, with the guanciale and the eggs and cheese.
Sife is a master chef. He's a master chef. So we have pasta alla romana. This is the pasta from yesterday. No, this is the new pasta, but with the sauce of yesterday. So there is a customer of us who is a big fan of Submagic, and he just decided to write a song for us. This guy is a genius. He made a song to Submagic. The song is good. Yeah. The people love Submagic so much that they create song for us. Someone made a tattoo of Submagic.
It's crazy though.
And so today we're gonna create a new song better than this one. The new Submagic song, Submagic Summer 2024.
Oh,
that's good.
That's a good one.
Submagic Toscani 2024. Piano and drums with 5 keywords. It's gonna be a good one. Jovan, you have the piano. And who is mastering ChatGPT? You find the prompt on ChatGPT. Focus, don't lose your sight. With the test and learn, we'll reach new heights. Start with the white, that's our guiding light in the landing of void. We'll make clip. Bro, you will make the clip. With the drone. No, but because this is first is funny, I think. Just because it's cool, and second, it will give memories. It will remember this song. It creates something from everyone in one song. Sometimes you don't need to ask it why.
Fun, impactant, décalé,
Motivant.
et motivé. ChatGPT 80-20, t'as Start with the Why, Test and Learn.
Ouais,
Et après,
le contexte, genre Toscane. Le contexte Toscane.
Et
Submagic. Ouais, il faut que ça matche avec les lyrics quoi. Je vais faire le... On peut faire un truc comme ça. I need to pronunciate correctly the text or it will be bad.
Yeah, so we have the instrumental. So this is the instru. Good. We're gonna start from here.
Tube de l'été.
Tifei.
I wrote the lyrics.
I
wrote the lyrics about rap song, and it's gonna be cool.
I generate something amazing. Well,
We're on the top, man. Yeah.
And then Leo is actually singing about the rhythm to rap on the music, and then Giovanni is gonna record everything. And Mr. Annibal, what do you do, Annibal?
He's the manager.
I'm giving feedback.
Yeah. Oh, good one.
Tonight at dinner we have the music live.
So I have the first draft of the first verse, then the pre-chorus, and then the hook, the chorus itself. I can try. Submagic team, are you f***ing ready? Yeah! Okay, perfect. Kill that! Woo! Yes, I will. Okay. Yo, in Tuscany, we are the seminar. Start with Y, aiming high, raising the bar. ICP, we got the perfect fit. Test and learn. Always on that tip, so raise your hands. Let's make some noise for Submagic, bringing creative joys. Tuscany seminar, we make our mark with some magic spark. You'll never be in the dark. From sunrise to sunset, in Tuscany's breeze, is too warm so we sweat, but not fool the Vietnamese. Submagic's here, changing the game. Captivating videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same. Submagic's here, changing the game. Captivating videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same. Oh, statue, bravo. Thank you.
Très très lourd, non mais attends, c'est très très lourd. Là, tu sais qu'on a vraiment un single.
I even add it like it's too warm so we sweat, but not fuck the Vietnamese.
J'ai entendu avant, t'as dit. Now we have something cool. When Leo is gonna record, we're gonna go record the music. After we put it in the software and make like auto-tune. Let's think about the scene for the shooting, so it's fast. Okay, so now I need to get back to work. I have some calls starting now. I have one call with a guy that is going to make some videos on the YouTube channel of Submagic that we want to improve. His name is Austin. He's an agency owner, and we would like to partner with Austin because he represents our ICP super well. So I'm jumping on a call right now with him. After that, we have a call with the users, and after that, we need to finish the song because the song is going to be good. Let's go. How are you doing?
All I got.
That's all you got?
So where are you today?
I'm in Italy. We are in Tuscany with the team, all the Submagic team. We are doing a seminar in Italy for 1 week. So
Fun.
yeah, it's cool. The YouTube channel has started pretty well. I've only did 3 videos with Jake so far, but already like 2K views on the last one, and I think we are going to grow.
We have the first verse, the second one. Jovan is just adding like some effects on the voice.
Wow.
To make it better. Yo, in Tuscany, we are the seminar. Start with Y, aiming high, raising the bar. ICP, we got the perfect fit. Test and learn. Always on that tip, so raise your hands. Let's make some noise for Submagic, bringing creative joys. Tuscany seminar, we make our mark with a magic spark. You will never be in the dark.
From sunrise to sunset, in Tuscany's breeze, it's too warm so we sweat, but not fool the Vietnamese.
Submagic's here, changing the game. Captivating
Video, you never the name. It's 20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands will never be the same.
Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same.
Submagic here, changing the game. Captivating videos, we'll know the name. 20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands will never be the same.
Okay. Où est-ce qu'on va?
So now we finish the song. It's 7:45. I do that. I don't have the watch. We are heading to my favorite restaurant in Tuscany, Restaurant della Mole, with all the teams. We had an amazing day, a lot of fun, a lot of some work as well. It was not a very productive day because we're on the seminar, but now we're gonna enjoy and go to the restaurant. Let's go. My favorite restaurant in Italy for 2 reasons. One, the view. Look at the view. This is like the county. This is for me like the most peaceful views you can have, and this gives me joys. And secondly, the food. Italian food is my favorite food, but especially this restaurant. That's the best mix. And obviously to be with the team tonight here in this place, it's crazy for me because I never thought in my life, I never expected that I will be here one day with my team. That's great. That's so cool. Coming here, this moment, with this view, sharing this moment all together, from especially the fact that you're coming from all over the world. This is the most beautiful present I can get, and yeah, I am super. Like I will remember this moment.
So you achieve your dream.
It's more. It's big, better than my dream. Like it's better. It's not coming back here just to hit. It's coming back here with a team that we built on a product that we love, that have impact on millions of people.
all of us will remember it. Like that's really crazy. Yeah.
I hope so.
As a rapper?
Beginning of my career through Submagic.
I hope you remember this moment and enjoy the food. Take the time, enjoy even the drink, the beers, everything. Try to enjoy it. It's good.
It was a beautiful dinner.
Thank you very much.
It was a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Well, I didn't want to forget to end the video, but like yeah, it's gonna end it here now. Like I hope I show you like what a day looks like as running Submagic with all the team in Tuscany. We're gonna finish the day with the beautiful games that I love. The name is Time's Up with all the team. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Let me know in comments what you think about it, and see you for our next video.
In Tuscany, we had the seminar. Start with why, aiming high, raising the bar. ICP, we got the perfect fit, test and learn. Always on that tips, always your hands. Let's make some noise for Submagic, bringing creative joys. Tuscany seminar, we make our mark with a magic spark. You will never be in the dark.
From sunrise to sunset, in Tuscany's breeze, it's too warm so we sweat, but not through the Vietnamese.
Submagic's here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same. Submagic's here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same. Foog from Vietnam, focus, master supreme. Hannibal in code, like Neo in a dream. Jovan's visual from Dijon's flair. Leo from Amiens beating the air. Ellie strategy for no more disgust. Delton from Bangalore cheering the most. Shivam precision, New Delhi's on. Stefan's closing deals, Macedonians known. Tifei from Jeju, wisdom and calm. David from Tel Aviv, bright as a band. Jonas from Colmar, ICP's hurt. Defining our market, playing in his spot. Oh, I think I forgot people, mate. 1 million users, without you we would be lost.
From sunrise to sunset, in Tuscany's breeze, it's too warm so we sweat, but not through the Vietnamese.
Submagic's here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same. Submagic's here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same.
Submagic here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same.
Global team, united as one, under Tuscany's sun, the work is never done. West to west, we bring our best, with Submagic in our hands, outshine the rest.
Submagic's here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same. Submagic's here, changing the game, captivate videos, you know the name. 80-20 focus, we bring the fame. Submagic in your hands, you'll never be the same.